Good morning. My name is Cyril Andy Zabalia. I am from the Philippines, currently living now here, but looking for a job. And I thrive in environments where innovation and experimentation are encouraged, and I love to explore new concepts. I am known for bringing about new inspiration and thought provoking ideas. My diverse background has served me well in cultivating hardworking, patient, easily adapt in any situation will be my strength. These abilities, coupled with a passion for the field, are well aligned with the requirements for the kindergarten or early years teacher's role. I perform best in a work culture that promotes high energy teamwork, balance with positivity and collaboration. I am dependable and creative with strong work ethic and an artistic eye, but also bring a fun loving and enthusiastic attitude. I possess experience in communication, critical thinking, and innovation, and I am confident that my creative talents will prove to be an invaluable addition to your organization. And I attach my resume, my achievements for years being a teacher in private schools and through online and face-to-face classes. So I look forward to speaking with you about the opportunity to create and grow as your new kindergarten or early year teacher. Thank you so much and have a great time. Thank you. Goodbye.